Hello everyone, welcome to my second video of changing Notepad to HTML. So in this video, we're going to check how to add a CSS link. So let me go back to my first one. If I just starting, you can pause the video to look at what I did. So after that, this is the class. You know you're setting HTML, you have to give it a class if you want to do it. So first, how to start? Let me paste the link. So this is the CSS link, stars.css. So after I've done the link, we'll go and create another notepad for the CSS. So the notepad have dots yellow. Yellow. The yellow is going to contain a color of white. Color of yellow. You can use any color, I just prefer yellow. So after I've used the color of yellow, let's save this as styles.
Yes.
Styles. Let me save it as styles.css. Save. For this HTML file, save as index3.html. Save. So as I've saved it too, let me go to the place and check if you are saved. Wow. Since we have already found the page that the color is not working, let's open the folder we saved. Let's open it with code. So let's check the error. Color is yellow. Let's do yes. Wow. Yellow. Let me copy this and paste it there if the spelling is not correct. Let's check. Wow, it's still not working. So all we need to do, let's go and check. Let's check it very if we made an error there. H1 heading 1 class of yellow dot yellow. This is dot yellow. Wow, this is styles.css. Let's open another link. Let's open another link to check. It's the same thing. Styles.css. Let's remove this one. Wow. So I think the error was that we didn't spell the style sheet very well. So since you have gotten this one, you are good to go. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to add a JavaScript to it. Thank you. If you don't get this video, how I open it with code, or if you want to do everything inside Notepad, you can kindly, how I open it with code, you can kindly, all what I did, you can kindly do it in your Notepad too. So see me in the next video, and God bless you. Thank you.